Hello everyone, we are from Group 10 and this is our auction website, AuctionNet. Here is the core functionality part 1. If you didn't sign in and you click one item, it will just ask you to log in or create an account. So, to bid on items, user must first log in or register with the account. And I'm here to demonstrate the process to create an account. So click Create Account and you now become as a buyer. But if you want to go forward as a seller, you must click the Become a Seller icon. Now you become as a seller at the same time. You can switch between modes to perform different action. And if user want to edit their profile, they can just go to My Profile to edit. For the core functionality part 2, you switch to the seller mode and you click Create Auction. There are a bunch of things you need to fill in. You can select others if your stuff is not in the list. Here we uploaded some pictures and you can upload it up to 10 images. Here goes another optional function called minimum bid increment. I will show later how this function works. Now click Create Auction and everything is done. Click the View Your Listing and you can have a review. Here we go another account and it's just in a buyer mode. We go to the auction we just made and it shows like the minimum increment £10. So when you just press the plus, it just automatically plus £10. Or you can just type the price you want to bid. Then place the bid and you can just see what you've done. Go back to the seller mode and you just click My List and there are 3 sections here. Go to the active auction and you can click the View Detail to see the auction you made, and also you can delete the auction. Go to the ended auction, click View Details and you can see why this auction ended, and you can also see the bid history. This one is a little bit different because it is ended by sold out. And you can only view the reviews on this kind of auction. You can also go to the review directly by clicking here. Click My Review and you can see your reviews here. Click Analytics. Here provide the seller's performance insights. Here's the core functionality for part 3. So basically we just go to the buyer mode. If user know what they want to search, they can just put the keyword and do apply and then it shows out. User can also use the category. For example, we select clothing here and we do apply and it shows out all the clothes. User can also choose how they want to order the search result. User can also put the lowest price and highest price, then do click apply, then only show the item in this price interval. Finally, user can select the auction end time, and here we do 3 days here and nothing match. Here shows the user can switch the layout by clicking list or grid. User can click the heart in the right corner to add it into their watch list. Go into your watch list, you can view all the items you liked. In the active section, you can do view and bid. But in the ended auction, you can only check the detail. You can remove the item in the whole section. Here is the core functionality 4, and we basically still in a buyer mode.
From the listing page, buyers can see the real-time countdown, current price, and a bid history table showing all previous bids with time spent and amounts. They can also view the seller ratings and review. Buyers can bid manually by entering an amount, or they can enable auto bidding, which automatically places bid whenever they are outbid. With auto bidding, buyers set a maximum limit that can be updated at any time. Manual bidding remains available even while auto bidding is active. Auto bidding can be turned off whenever they choose, although it won't undo any bids that which have already placed. Buyers can easily view all their bids from the My Bids page. For active auctions, they can see where they are leading or have been outbid, along with clear indicators showing which bids have auto bidding enabled and the option to turn it off. Bid will close automatically when there is no bid or reserve price not met.
We can view the detail, the auction we want, and it shows the winning bid here and also the bid history. View the detail of the auction we outbid. Here shows my bid and also the final price. I can see the auction detail and also the bid history here. We can also see the detail of no winner. It shows that even though we have the highest bid, but it didn't achieve the reserve price, so it didn't become a winner.
If they have won, leave a star rating and written review for the seller.
You can also edit the rating here.
Buyers can access a bidding analytics dashboard that provides a clear overview of their bidding performance, including total bids placed, win rate, average bid amount, and total spending on won auctions.
Here is a follow-up for the automatic bidding feature. So basically we go into an auction and we place a bid. As you can see, we are outbid. That's just because there is another user called Jessica Chai set a auto bid with a maximum of 200. And this function is working here. Here goes another example that there are two other users set a auto bidding function. One put the maximum as 3,500 and one is 4,000. So you can see the leading bid is 3,515 belong to the one set the maximum as 4,000. Our system sends detailed email notifications for all key auction events. Buyers get bid confirmations, alert for new bid on watch items, and outbid notice. When an auction ends, the winner receives a won notification with seller contact details, and the seller gets a sold notification. Other bidders are informed they lost. If the reserve price isn't met, both the highest bidder and seller are notified. If an auction ends with no bids, only the seller is informed. Here is the recommend page for the buyers. I will recommend auction based on the user interest and a similar buyer's preference.